And no, they're not electing a pope.
Good morning, Mike.
Good morning.
I was preparing for it and was like,
I hear you.
last week, I lit it myself last week.
Oh, so it was out.
And I'm like, oh, okay, because I was testing it. Let me see if I get heat. Because
Yes.
I had someone come and say, it's cold in here. I'm saying, I'm fine, you know. So I said, let me test my heat just in case. But then again, it's out, and I went to light it, and I said, you know what, I can't play around with it because I couldn't get it.
So you only tried relighting it once? That was last week?
No, I did light it last week. Yesterday I tried lighting it.
And would it stay on, or?
No, I couldn't. And I said, I'm not fooling
Okay, no
around
problem.
with it, you know.
Okie dokie. Let's go see what's going on.
I mean, you can probably do it 1, 2, 3. I don't know.
Well, let's see.
But
It shouldn't be going out. It's a, like a right?
yes.
Okay.
And right now I have the thermostat off, you know.
All right, you can turn it on if you want.
Turn it on?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, wow, yeah, I haven't been here in a while. Yeah, good stuff. All right, Burnham, steam, gas boiler. There's the click of the thermostat relay. Got looks like an old water heater here. 40 gallon. Let's see what's going on here. All right, so you got a lot of rust and some kind of leak in the boiler. Did we notice this a few years ago when we were here, or the rust staining and the chunks of stuff that's in the bottom of the boiler?
No, I don't
No.
think so.
Let me look at
Could
this.
that be? I have all this crystal shit, and we just.
No, it's.
I don't know what all this is. It's pooling down here.
Oh, on the.
So this came all here, and I.
No, this is something else.
Oh.
This is some kind of chemical or something. Looks like, or some kind of something. But
Okay.
let me look at. You have chunks of stuff in there, but.
I mean, well, it's not funny. Like I said, I was gonna call because I said, let me get maintenance for all this stuff.
Yeah.
And of course, you know, you wait till. Too late.
All right, let's see what the water
I have.
gauge says. Water gauge says it's about halfway. Let's add some water, and let's stop right around there. So now we're about almost 3/4 full. All right, nothing yet.
I mean, because that's never been cleaned out. Because even the times you were here, you hadn't, you know. So.
No, we clean out we do clean that out when we do maintenance on the boiler.
Oh, okay. Well, no, you haven't done maintenance on this.
Yeah, it's been a while since we did that.
That's why I said I wanted to come. I wanted to call. I want to get maintenance for both the water heater and this. And
Well, the water heater maintenance on that, you would start from, like year 1 when it was installed.
okay.
Yeah. You have a rag.
Just take these are old. So.
Okay, perfect. I didn't anticipate it to be that brutal, but.
Now, okay. Would that be?
So on the front of the valve, you have this little brown knob. It's on. You'll put it to pilot. All right, we'll hold this down, and then I will take my flame. Let me bring this. And I will light it. Okay. So now we have a little bit of a flame there. We're going to hold this down for about a minute and then let it go. All right, ladies and gentlemen. What would you price a US boiler Burnham Steam Max with a 40-gallon A.O. Smith 6-year GCG 40? All new near boiler piping with a drop header. Insulated, including the fittings. Removal and disposal. Let me get your thoughts and feedback in the comment section down below. The job is in the bag. Just curious. Am I priced too low or too high? Catch the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.